Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to open run dialog box. So guys, if you need to open run dialog box, so just you need to press Windows key plus R. So you will see this run box is open, and another way, right click on start, and here you will see option for run. So click on it, and here you can type what you need to open, then press OK. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By the simple steps we can know how to open a run command in the Windows 11. Thanks again.